Questions, anyone?
Oof, awkward. We've all been there. But with Miro Engage, the best ideas come when everyone gets involved. Try it for retros, trainings, your company all hands, workshops, wherever you need to create engagement and want to spark your team's collective energy. And anyone can take part just by scanning a QR code. Run a quick post check, surface the questions no one's asking out loud. Let people vote, react, and chip in. All the things that make sessions fun and productive. Things like word clouds, live voting, and interactive polls. All in one space on Miro. No clunky tab switching or tool hopping. And when your session's over, export everyone's responses right to your board and let Miro AI organize themes, pull insights, and create artifacts from people's input. No lost momentum, no forgotten ideas. Don't worry, Molly. Deep Sea Kingdom lives on.
Anybody have any? Oh, I see you have a ton of questions. Yep, you can use Miro Engage right away.
Interactive sessions with Miro Engage, the best way to get great done.